Let's face it, traditional company structures are about as exciting as watching paint dry. You've got your marketing department over here, engineering over there, and product managers stuck in the middle like a forgotten gym sock. This disjointed mess can lead to finger-pointing, confused goals, and ultimately a product that flops harder than a fish out of water. Imagine your product designer, Brenda, stuck in the marketing department. They pressure her to churn out flashy graphics instead of focusing on what truly matters, understanding your customers' needs. Meanwhile, product manager extraordinaire Phil is drowning in engineering jargon, struggling to communicate the product vision. It's a recipe for disaster. Here's the magic trick. Create a dedicated product management and design division. This is where Brenda and Phil, along with their data analyst sidekick, can focus on what they do best, becoming product superheroes. They'll have their own VP, the VP of product no less, giving them a seat at the grown-up table, the executive meetings, to champion the product vision. This doesn't mean your marketing and engineering teams become hermits. They'll still work closely with the Product A team, but with a crucial difference. Everyone on the product team will be singularly focused on the product they're building. This fosters clear communication, faster decision-making, and a product culture that permeates the entire company. This structure isn't just for tiny startups. As your company grows, you can easily add new product teams, all working in harmony towards a unified product vision. It's like Voltron, but for product development. So ditch the dusty org chart and embrace the power of a product-centric structure. Remember, happy product teams mean a happy product, and a happy product leads to happy customers and a happy bank account for you.